Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Remember, we are still in Souq Waqif. We are trying to discover what can you do, what can you see in case you come to Qatar. What other interesting parts that you can come to and where you can visit. Right now we are entering what we call the bird market in Souq Waqif. It's quite very interesting. For guys that have not moved to this area, it is a worth area to see. Let us try to see what exactly is in the bird market. What did you find in the bird market in the Souq Waqif? What did you expect to see? This is exactly what we are talking about. It's quite very interesting. How very clean this area you find it. For all types of birds, I think it's pretty very interesting. For people who have not moved here, this is what we're talking about. When we are talking about the bird market in Souq Waqif, this is exactly that you have to see. This is exactly that you need to do. This is Ahmed Rashid or Sahib Kohal, the farm for birds and others. It's quite very interesting, guys. Hope you can see what I'm talking about. All different types of birds that you need to have. Wow, quite very interesting. This is Souq Waqif. Hope people have not visited this area. See what I'm talking about. For the bird lovers, this is exactly. For all the accessories, you find them in one area in the bird market. Wow. Hope you'll enjoy what I'm trying to show you. Wow, really very good. Alright. Hope you can see the different types of birds in this area. Wow. This is what we talk about. All the different types of birds, you find them in one area in Souq Waqif. Alright. We are in the bird market in Souq Waqif. This is exactly what you need to see. This is exactly what you need to enjoy. All the different bird markets with all their types of food for all the bird lovers. Exactly. Let's try to move around. You try to see what I'm talking about. Okay. For the tortoise lovers, these are called the tortoises. Wow. Remember, we are in the bird market in Souq Waqif, where you find all types of different birds that you need to know. Quite very interesting. This is called the yellow bird, with all the bird accessories that you need in one area, which is quite very interesting. So when you come to Souq Waqif, remember to visit this shop also, where you can have all the accessories, the bird accessories, and all the different types of birds in one or the other, which is quite very interesting. Yeah, it is very good. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, where you have the latest information, travel information here in Qatar. Remember, we are in what you call the bird market in Souq Waqif, which is quite very interesting. Yeah, it's pretty very good. Hope you try to enjoy and try to see. Wow. Yo.